Yes, hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel guys. So for today's video guys, we are here now going to Formal Park here in Abu Dhabi. So they have a new night market, so we will check now. Me and Rahad, my friend Rahad, will go there.
Hi guys, everyone, how are you?
Yeah, so you know that place, right? So I think we will walk from here, this side I think. Then we will go from that side. Because it's in Corniche area, right? Formal Park. So ayan guys, papunta na kami. So ngayon dumamo na kami rito sa may side ng Hamdan.
Yeah.
Capital Park, yeah?
This one, Capital Park.
Yeah, Capital Park. Guys, we are here now. So naglalakad na kami ni Rahad. Papunta na kami dun sa may namin. Rahad, show these flowers. Si Rahad. Ito guys, oh, nakikita niyo yung bulaklak. It's nice, no? Different colors. This also, see. So guys, ito yung iconic dito sa may Abu Dhabi, yung capital nila part. Ito siya. Ito guys, see. So guys, wag gusto niyo magpainit ng tubig, punta lang kayo rito. Ang laki nito guys. And guys, nandito na kami ni Rahad, nakatawid na kami doon sa signal. So we're going now to this night market. So check namin ni Rahad kung
Hi guys, everyone, how are you?
yeah, please greet your followers,
Yes,
subscriber.
Problem only for us, no have problem much. I think 6 months finished, we are not achieve 2000. Please. We need more followers.
Yeah, please subscribe guys. Follow our YouTube channel. So Rahad also soon will open his YouTube, no? When you go to Pakistan, you will make vlog also.
Before we go to Pakistan, I create my YouTube channel.
Yeah, so he will start, yeah.
And,
So yun guys, but I don't know where is the Formal Park here.
I can check location.
So guys, until now we're still looking for this night market, but I feel it's here. Maybe it's here because it's covered.
Search location in mobile, but he say no.
Ah, here, see? It's there.
Before have also light here.
Huh?
Yeah.
So this is the one, right? So yun guys, finally nakita na namin, see? Yeah, show camera. So yan guys, papunta na kami. Raj still don't know how to use the camera. Ito guys, so tama ako, dito yung Formal Park. Ayan guys, malapit na kami. Guys, sorry talaga kung di ako nakapag-vlog in the previous weeks kasi na-confine ako rito sa may Abu Dhabi. Na-admit ako sa hospital. So recently lang ako nakalabas. Ng hospital. So ngayon lang din ako nagkaroon ng chance para makapag-vlog. So finally nagkaroon ako ng chance para makapag-vlog. Tapos makapunta rito sa main night market. So titingnan natin kung ano guys yung mga bagong pasyalan dito sa may night market dito sa may Abu Dhabi. Meron din ditong ano, see they have also rocks. So guys, may mga ano dito, Tianggian. Ayan o. So ang daming ano rito guys, mabibili yan also. So first day nila. So guys, ayan, pwede nyo rin dalhin dito yung mga kids nyo, mga pamangkin nyo, anak nyo. Ayan o, they can play na inflatable ano, slides. May giant slides dito guys. See how the kids shouting, no? They're enjoying. Ayan, may SpongeBob, may Shrek. Ayan guys. See, they're jumping here. Come here. This side. See, they're making slides. See the kids. Ayan guys, nag-enjoy sila dito. Ganda ng ano, playground. They have playground for kids, no? So while you guys are eating, the kids, they can play here in the playground, inflatable slides. Ayan siya. I remember this Ethan's, no? I'm buying food in Ethan's right in Hamdan. So yun guys, meron pala sila rito ano, market, meron silang ano rito, store. May shop sila rito. Yung Ethan's, ayan. May balbakwa sila. Yun yung dinadayo sa kanila rito guys. Come, let's go. So yan guys, meron din pala ditong pwesto yung ano, yung ate. Ayan siya. Yung ate, yung halo-halo nila yung masarap dito eh. Yun yung dinadayo. So let's go here. So guys, ano kasi ngayon eh, first day nila rito sa may night market. So talagang dinagsa siya ngayon. So hindi kami makakain ni Rahat kasi ang daming ano. There's a lot of people no, so we cannot order food, right? And mostly Filipino po guys yun nandito. So yun, expect nyo na pagka may mga night market, sulit yan for the Filipino. Kasi tayo mga kabayan, mahilig. Filipino, we love to eat. No? We love to eat food.
All people in Filipino, kabayan.
So all is kabayan guys. So yung kami ni Rahat, ayun siya. Naglalaro tong batang to. See? So mostly kabayan. So we have to go now, no? So guys, sobrang ano kasi niya, first day nila. So ngayon, ha?
Every day open?
No, yeah, but it started today.
Only weekend. Maybe every day.
I don't know if it's only weekend. So what can you say about this night market? You like talk, speak in the microphone. So what can you say about this?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, क्या हाल है? ठीक है। आज मैं आया हूँ, ये कार्निश में एक नई मार्केट ओपन हुई है, तो इसका विज़िट करने के लिए हम आए हैं। लेकिन मैंने यहाँ आके देखा है कि यहाँ तो सारे ही फ़िलिपीनी हैं और बहुत रश है यहाँ। मेरे ख्याल में ये आज इसका पहला दिन है ओपनिंग का, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ बहुत रश है और बहुत अच्छे और डिफरेंट खाने हैं। यहाँ लोग फुल एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। लेकिन यहाँ ज़्यादा जो है ना वो फ़िलिपीन कंट्री के लोग हैं, सारे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ़िलिपीन हैं। चंद एक हैं जो और कंट्री के, लेकिन ज़्यादा फ़िलिपीनी हैं। तो अच्छा लगा, मैंने सारी विज़िट की है, घूम के आया हूँ। और ये मेरे साथ मेरा दोस्त है फ़िलिपीनी, यही मुझे लेके आया यहाँ के। हम देखते हैं यहाँ के कैसा सीन है। तो हमने विज़िट किया, बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ। अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।
So guys, me and Rahat decided to go back because
Yeah.
it's full of people. So we just kagagaling ko lang sa sakit. I just came from hospital no recently.
Also, people waiting for eating. Too much
Yeah,
crowd
too much
there.
queue. Yeah.
Yeah, too much crowd. But
Yeah.
shop may not thinking like too much crowd coming.
Yeah, maybe they didn't expect no that it
Yeah,
will
they
be
did not accept,
more
too much
people
crowd.
coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we decided to
We go back.
Yeah.
Next week coming. Then
We will go
taste
to-
this food. Enjoy.
we decided to eat in Al Baik no
Yeah.
for now. So yun guys, ayun
We go
sana
in
na-enjoy
the
nyo yung
Central
yung
Park and
video.
we eat albaik.
Sorry kung di namin kayo naipasyal guys kasi sa dami ng tao. ayan guys, si Rad, feel na feel niya yung... Ayan guys, feel na feel na Rad. Guys, paalis na kami sa lahat. Pauwi na kami. Ayun si Toby, oh. Toby, ayun, may kamukha ka rito, oh. Ayan,
Bobby, your brother here.
Your brother is here, see? So cute, no?
Make na, make.
Toby, same like you. Me and Rad, we're going to eat dinner. So, you didn't enjoy this night, no?
I enjoy Al Kabayan.
So, yan guys, di na kami nakapag-kain dun sa may night market. Kaya dito na lang kami kumain sa may Albay. Isa yan dito sa mga masarap kainan dito sa may Abu Dhabi. So inintay na lang namin yung number namin. Tapos kakain na lang kami sa park ni Rahat. Masarap kasi guys yung nuggets nila rito tsaka yung chicken. Yun yung pinipilaan. Before nakakain ko to sa Saudi, nung nasa Saudi ako, doon ako unang nakakain ng Albayk. Finish 570? Thank you, Kuya. So yan guys, nakabili na kami ni Rahad ng Albayk. So ngayon, kakain na lang kami dito sa may park. So yun guys, yung nabili pala naming Albayk without drinks, no? Very cold here now. So now, dito na lang kami kakain sa park ni Rahad. So nag-order ako ng nuggets, si Rahad naman chicken, right? So, we were going to find the place, no? Where we can sit or we can eat something. We decided to come back here and eat in this park. Because here it's quiet, not much people. Not crowded. Kasi ito ngayon yung park. So for sure there's available here. See? Wet, no? You feel also when you walk? The grass is wet. There, see? Run. Run. Now it's full. Now we can... Okay. Run. Maybe someone will go ahead now. Talk. So ayan, kami ni Rahan. Kasi wala kaming kanina mapwestuhan. So finally meron kami nakita rito place where we can sit and we can eat. So yun guys, kakain na kami ni Rahad. Ayan. Nandito kami ngayon. At least we find place na to eat. Ayan. So show what you order. Open. Show. Show what you order. Bring out. So yan guys, nag-order kami ni Rahad ng food. After long walk, we decided to eat now. This is the chicken nuggets, guys. So guys, yung Albay kasi nanggaling to ng Saudi. Doon siya nag-start. Nung time ng 2015, nag-work ako doon. 2015, yeah. Meron na akong nakainan doon na Albay. Ito yung unang pinakain sa amin ng mga boss namin nung dineploy kami doon sa may duty free sa Saudi Arabia sa Jeddah. So ayan guys, ito yung chicken ni Rahad.
Only one bread.
Yeah, they're giving only one bread for each. Yeah, it should be like that. No, there's a price. How come?
You don't eat bread?
Eat the bread if you like, me no. So yan guys, andito na kami sa park. So dito na lang kami mag-enjoy, mag-celebrate na ng ano namin, ng dinner. Kasi nga na ano kami doon, too much people, no? So this is the chance to eat dinner together with my friend Rahad. So invite them. Guys, let's eat.
Friend, come. We want to eating together na. Come everyone, early.
Ayan guys, meron silang ano guys, garlic sauce, no? This is the best in Albay chicken, yung garlic sauce nila guys. It adds more flavor to the chicken, right?
Yeah.
So that's why we decided to buy in Albaik, because this we tried already before. We enjoy eating this chicken, yeah. It's more tasty, right? So yan si Rahad, nilalanta ka na guys yung yung manok niya. Yung chicken niya, see? This is the Albaik chicken, right?
Yes. Brand.
You order spicy or
Yeah.
spicy? So yan guys, kakain muna kami guys. Let's eat guys, let's eat dinner.
Come guys, connect with me.
Yeah. Ayan, tapos they have potato fries, right? They have french fries. Ayun siya guys. Ayun guys, nakakain na kami ni Rahad. Napakain din namin itong mga stray cats dito sa may park. Ayan sila oh. So guys, kung magawi kayo rito sa Capitol Park, tapos meron lang din kayong dalang pagkain, pag nilapitan nila kayo guys, pwede naman silang pakainin, tingin ko eh. Basta yung wag lang yung may buto, kasi delikado sa kanila yung pakainin sila ng buto o kaya may tinik. So yung mga check nyo muna kung allowed silang kumain nung food na ialok nyo sa kanila, para at least hindi rin ligtas din sila, yung safety pa rin nila yung natin, yung unahin natin. So guys, ayan, natapos na kami ni Rahad, nakapag-dinner na kami. So we enjoy eating this Albaik chicken niya. Nuggets. Yeah. Very tasty, yeah, delicious. So guys, this is our video for today. So uwi na si Rahad. Rahad is going home. So medyo malayo sa so like 25 minutes. So yun, uwi na siya kasi ako naman ang duty ko tomorrow is evening shift. So it's okay for me. Walking distance lang sa akin dito yung park na to. So yun guys, hope you enjoy this video. Please share this video. Like and subscribe. Yeah. Please subscribe guys. So thanks for all the supports mga labs. See you on our next video. And we will try next time to upload the video in this night market, because until now it's full. It's their first day tonight. So guys, thank you for watching. We love you guys, and keep on supporting us on our YouTube channel. We love you guys. Bye. Bye. Love you. Bye. Sinakay ko lang sa lahat guys.